So welcome everybody. Hello also from my side. Thanks for being here. Thanks for listening to this webinar, which is the first webinar I've ever given on this topic. So I hope it will be of interest to you. The topic, as you all know, will be non-invasive brain stimulation, its principles and safety aspects, especially considering psychiatry. When we talk about NIBS, that's the acronym here, we would usually mean TMS, Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation, and as Florent already mentioned, tDCS, Transcranial Direct Current Stimulation. I will mostly focus today on my talk about TMS, but I will also mention tDCS. tDCS is a little simpler, I would say, and regarding safety, it's even safer than TMS. All right, so let's get started. What are the topics today? I will briefly outline and repeat how TMS and also tDCS work. I will mention safety concerns as well as side effects. I will mention contraindications against brain stimulation, stimulation parameters in more detail, general ethical concerns, and I will summarize with a conclusion and an outlook for future directives. As we said, non-invasive brain stimulation can be distinguished between transcranial magnetic stimulation that you can see here, a colleague of mine in Bern, shown here on a picture with a TMS coil applied to his head. Together, what you see here is a neuronavigation device. So that would allow us to use a computer device to navigate exactly to the points of stimulation on his head, which makes the stimulation more precise. And here on the right-hand side, you can see the same individual with transcranial direct current stimulation, tDCS, where we usually use two sponges, the blue one and the red one, a cathode and anode, and apply them to the brain with weak direct currents. So this is tDCS and TMS. There are more that should be mentioned. There are more brain stimulation methods available, including deep brain stimulation, deep TMS, alternating current stimulation, but we will today only cover the most common ones, which is TMS and tDCS, but be aware that there are more stimulation methods. One could argue that even ECT is a brain stimulation method, but that would be considered more invasive usually.